This is my favorite part. Oh, is that your stomach?
No, it's the TV. It's surround sound.
Well, can you turn it down? It's really loud.
Yeah.
Okay, now that was definitely...
No, it's my blender. You want a smoothie?
No, I'm trying to watch the movie. Can you please shut it off? Okay, clearly your stomach is...
No, it's my head.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
Head clippers. Your plants need a trim.
No, they don't! Stop! You're just making noise to cover up your...
Was that your stomach?
Ooh, yeah. I need to take a